I couldn't sleep, so I left Oak Grove, Missouri at about 4 in the morning for a casual 400-mile ride out to Colby, Kansas. There wasn't a whole lot to see out there, just windmills throughout the entire way, but for some reason that fascinated me. I don't get to see a lot of windmills normally. Oh, that's a bad helmet for nighttime. I forgot I only have a tinted shield. Well, alright, we're gonna be half blind on this one. Oh, it's so humid. You know it's the South when it's 4 in the morning. And it's mid-70s and just humid as heck. I got all my linings back on because it should be the high 60s for this trip. I only got like 3 hours of sleep, maybe 4. I just couldn't sleep, so I figured, screw it, let's go get some miles, you know? Alright, I'm basically riding by GPS because I can't see anything, and now my visor's fogging up. Away we go, leg one! Alright, I've got 3 charging tips that could save your life. If you've ever been stuck in 98-degree weather, with person after person coming by to ask you the same questions, just wasting your time when you have stuff to do, here's 3 tips that I use that make it so I no longer have that problem. The first one is to dress like this. Not only is it incredibly functional, given the heat dome and climate change, everything going on in the world, you also get to look like a steampunk beaker, or an extra from Mad Max Fury Road. Oil is my blood.
Nope, regular blood.
You also get to look like Energica Rebelle was your father. Not once while dressed like this has anyone bothered me. I've had trucks slow down, and then when I turn around to look at them, they see me and immediately just take off. So, 100% success rate. Second one is to start a YouTube channel. Flail your hands around, talk to yourself like a crazy person. Yeah. See? No one even bats an eye. All these people walking by, driving by. Normally they'd be over here asking, oh, hey, how long does it charge? What's it cost? Not once. Not when you're flailing your hands around looking crazy. You can also get that by just talking on the phone to someone, you know, little Bluetooth earbud, listen to some music and rock out, you know, whatever it takes. That has actually been interrupted once. I was recording a little piece for this, and someone came up and started talking to me in the middle of talking to my phone while recording. So, not 100% success rate on that one. But pretty good still. The third one is to finish your bathtub laundry. Just go ahead and set up a little hobo encampment. No one wants that. We got the hobo smell too, because we're out here riding 100 degrees, 12, 14, 15 hours a day, and doing our laundry in the bathtub. So it's a twofer. You get dry clothes with no mold, and no one comes by to bother you. Not once has someone come by and said, hey, nice underwear. And I'd say if you are a female doing this, don't attempt it because it could, you know, backfire. But since my viewership is 100% male currently, that's not a problem. Those are my 3 charging tips that could save your life.